So when you get it in the mail, it will come in this adorable looking suitcase, and you get to feel like you're actually going on vacation somewhere. Let's look inside. Inside your welcome box, you will find a card telling you exactly what is in here. Every box comes with a few souvenirs and books, bookmarks and charms, and coffee and tea. The welcome box comes with things from around the world, whereas each month, or each quarter rather, you will receive something from a pre-picked location. In this box, we have Wimberley tea, a big thing of English breakfast tea, 2 fictional books, Circling the Sun, where we're going to 1920s Africa, a la Out of Africa, and then Lizzie and Dante, another fictional book, where we are going to modern day Malta. And then we have our souvenirs. So let's see what we've got. So in your welcome box, there are 6 different things that you might get: chopsticks, votive bowls, tapas set, Greek jar, jute coasters, or various souvenirs. In our box, we were lucky enough to get this cute stackable tapas set and the Greek jar, which is going to be a wonderful addition to my bathroom. And then we have 3 different charms, one from possibly India, one from Ireland, and then an around the world compass charm. If you're like me and you love to travel and you love to read, you're definitely going to want to check out the Wordy Traveler. Make sure to use our coupon code to get a welcome box and 20% off of your purchase. Make sure to use our coupon code to get a welcome box and a discount on your first purchase. So the Wordy Traveler, it is truly the perfect box for women who love reading and travel. And you guys know that I love both. I'm a bit of a gypsy at heart. I love going all over the world. I love reading about places that I may or may not ever get to go. And I read, if you've kept an eye on the blog for any length of time, upwards of 300 to 400 books every year. That's a lot. And you can get an idea of those books over on our blog on the Moms Read page or at our Goodreads. But right now, we're focusing on the Wordy Traveler subscription box, which is one of the most amazing subscription boxes that I have come across in a long time. At this season of my life, as my children transition out of high school into college and I start to have a little bit more free time, I'm loving getting a chance to start reading more and more and dreaming about all of the different places that I might be able to go in the future. The Wordy Traveler box, this is the one from the first quarter of this year, Destination Indonesia and Bali, will include several books. It also includes tea and souvenirs, bookmarks, charms to put on a charm bracelet. These aren't rinky-dink souvenirs either. These are like full-size souvenirs that you would get if you were to visit the place and pick something up. Each quarter has a destination that inspires it. So for spring, they did Bali and Indonesia. For summer, they'll be doing Australia. For fall, it'll be Mexico. And then this winter, it is Switzerland. The literary experts and the world travelers, they come together. They choose books that feature this destination. They choose souvenirs. They choose a charm. They choose teas. They choose a lot of little extra odds and ends that really make the box fascinating. And one of the things that I love about this box is that it looks like a suitcase. Now, up here, you'll see at the top, free bonus box plus sleepy tea for a year. If you will use our link, you will be able to get this at no additional cost. You will get a free welcome box, which I have shown you what my welcome box looks like. Everyone's welcome box is going to be a little bit different, tailored to that person. And so if you watch the video, you'll see us unboxing our welcome box. You'll also get the tea. All you have to do is click through on that link. But if you want to save an additional $20, use code SparksAcademy. And I'll put all of this information down below the video here in YouTube and in our email as well. You do have the option to just purchase by the quarter and just get one box, but you definitely have a lot more savings if you purchase an annual subscription. And again, as we said, just to recap, each book or each box is going to include 2 to 6 inspired books. A sleepy tea in every box this year, plus full-sized teas, a destination-inspired postcard, a full-size souvenir. These are nice souvenirs, guys. You got to see the ones in our unboxing video. The custom bookmark, the keepsake charm. You'll also get coffee, depending on whether you're a tea or a coffee drinker. I happen to like both tea and coffee, so I'm very pleased with that. a guide that explains why each of those items was chosen and how that relates to the destination. And overall, you'll get a lovely educational experience. Now, being the discerning homeschool mom that I am, I took this opportunity as we unboxed to really explore that destination. The kids and I sat down and we watched videos about the destination and we did like a little travel brochure. And you know how us homeschool moms get. Even if you're not a homeschooling mom, you can still sit down and do these things with your kids if you choose, or you can just experience the destination for yourself. We also do gift subscriptions. So if you're looking for something for a person who maybe is a little bit hard to shop for, this could be a great option. Remember to use code SparksAcademy at the link below, and you can get a free bonus box, extra tea for a year, plus save $20 on your purchase. If you do this box, I would love to see your welcome box. It's always interesting to see what each person gets in boxes that are tailored for themselves, and we can all just enjoy and appreciate what each other got. Have a great day, y'all.